So I'm off to Yosemite today. This is gonna be very exciting. I don't have the proper clothes, but I guess we'll see what happens.
The stick, if it's
Yeah,
like 3
yeah, yeah.
meters
You
long.
can't see. This is pure ice. We're slipping away.
And we have the whole lake for ourselves. So I'm in the Yosemite Park. It's absolutely beautiful here. Like, unbelievably beautiful. Look at that. Crazy. Look at those two peaks there. Oh my god, I love nature. I love to be in nature. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, there's a squirrel! I absolutely love it here. Ooh. I want to climb this rock, but I guess it's too difficult. I'm old. What is your professional opinion of this beautiful environment?
It's a bit rocky.
A bit rocky? You think that's rocky? Nah.
Oh, look at the fog is rolling in.
Yeah.
Well.
It's gorgeous here, man.
Makes you think you're so small.
Yeah. We are teeny tiny creatures.
Yeah, we are. We are hurtling through the universe on a bionic spaceship.
But with a little bit of fire, huh? Hi guys. Hello.
With this? I don't know now what. Another position.
Huh?
Wait. Yeah, look there, look there.
I love it. How are you doing?
Hello.
Hello. What's up?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm sad that none of this footage I can use for my new YouTube channel.
You can use the one without us.
I know. So
Go ahead.
get away from me.
Like he doesn't want to put us on. No, I told him not to be in this video.
I just love it here. It's beautiful. Hey guys. How you guys doing?
How did you hold the stick?
Oh, I use this side. Be careful.
Yeah.
You wanna give me your hand? I guess this is slide down.
Yeah, I mean, why not? It's like a slide when we're kids.
Yeah.
Want to hold it while you do that?
I'm
and
alright.
pass it?
I'm alright. I'm
Okay.
alright. I think I'm just gonna run down it, but slowly. I don't recommend doing it.
And then slide
Yeah.
slow, like. Careful your legs.
Wee! Hey, why didn't you take any pictures of me?
Because you were running around like a kid.
It's me, all along. Ah. Ah. Thank you. I'm happy that I'm happy. Come, everybody. Look, Akos is helping some children climb the rock. It's absolutely amazing. I said that 1,000 times. Oh God. Oh, I love to be in forest. This is really dangerous here. Oh wow, look at that. It's just stunningly beautiful. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. Oh. Oh my God, this is so good for soul. Yeah? I know, I'm running away from you. Hey, don't stand there, look up. You go there, I'm gonna catch up. Oh wow, I could like literally live here. Why did we create cities? This is so good. Excuse me.
It says there is nothing strong.
Oh, I love moments like this. Look at this gate. there any bear hibernating here? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Come again?
Let's go too.
I believe I'm in front of you. I'm like close to the waterfall.
Under the waterfall? Are you getting wet right now?
No, no, not wet. I am maybe like 200 meters away from it, 150. But I'm going there close. I want to see it up close. Are you guys coming over here? Wow, you need to hurry up. Yeah. This is absolutely stunning. Oh, she has like a really old school camera. Amazing.
What I think.
Yes. Well, this is a clash of technologies. This thing came out like a month ago. That's crazy.
100 years a month ago.
Yeah. Oh. No, turn around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second.
She has the camera.
Can you put the camera on top of that?